The Duck and the Nightingale. One autumn morning, the nightingale sang loudly. The doves, chickens, and ducks listened attentively to the nightingale's song. The duck was so fascinated by the nightingale's voice that she went to find the nightingale and begged her to teach her how to sing. The nightingale agreed to help the duck. She sang a song as an example, and the duck followed along. The duck held her breath, puffed out her chest, and stretched her neck, but she could only utter a few sounds. Quack, quack! The duck was very sad. She thought she was useless and had no talent. Suddenly, there was a cry from the lotus pond. Chirp, chirp! The chick was in danger. The duck waddled over quickly. The rooster, the nightingale, and the dove also followed. When they reached the lotus pond, the duck dived into the water and swam quickly to the place where the chick was struggling. The friends looked worriedly at the duck and the chick. After a while, the duck managed to bring the wet chick up onto the bank. The nightingale and the friends were very impressed with the duck. They all sang loudly to praise the duck for her swimming skills and kindness. Moral of the story. 1. Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. 2. It is important to be helpful and to be willing to help others in need.